What is going on YouTube? Hater back making another brand new crypto TV episode. In today's video, we have to talk about XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Now, we have a lot to go over and a lot to discuss in today's episode. Some very weird and honestly opposite moving movements are starting to take place across most of the markets here, specifically in reference to the S&P 500, the stock market and cryptocurrency. For the past couple of months, if not year or two, we've seen almost a direct correlation, but not always causation, but at least a direct correlation with the S&P 500 moving up and cryptocurrency following it upwards. And then when we see the stock market drop, we typically see cryptocurrency drop as well. Well, as of the past couple of days, we've seen the exact opposite take place. The S&P 500 has been dumping while cryptocurrency has been pumping. Very weird, very interesting. Just want to show you guys this super quick. You can see here, this is a bull flag formation on the S&P 500. Now, I am bullish on this movement, and I do believe we will see a rally like I just drew right now. But you can see over the past couple of days, since like October 17th, the past 2 weeks, we've done nothing but landslide lower. And yesterday was one of the biggest red candles we've had in quite a while here. However, we are getting very close to bottoming out, not only becoming oversold, but also at a price floor and a support that I think we're going to reverse off of here. Now, while all this is happening, while the S&P is sliding lower, cryptocurrency is actually doing the exact opposite. We're seeing XRP see a major movement to the upside here. We're seeing Ethereum seeing a major explosion to the upside here, and Bitcoin seeing a massive moon blast. And I mean a moon blast to the upside here. So there's a lot of things we have to go over now that we're starting to see kind of the opposites kind of swing, where the S&P 500 is at its lowest and crypto is at its highest. They're kind of out of equilibrium. They're overbought and they're oversold, and that might be a reference where we start to see that reversal right now, where money is going to flow out and volume is going to flow out of crypto and move into the S&P 500, or that's just how I would suspect that we move to. Regardless, there are still major opportunities still to take advantage of these runs and these movements here. Even if you missed out on the bull runs that have happened within crypto, you might still be able to get in on these short opportunities that are about to appear within cryptocurrency, and I kind of want to explain more about that in a minute. But with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, before we dive into the technical analysis, super quick, as you guys know about BitFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange I like to talk about here on the channel, they're doing a really cool giveaway right now where you can earn up to $200 in free cryptocurrency rewards, ideally cryptocurrency, but as coupons and bonuses by doing some very simple and easy stuff. It's literally free money that you're leaving on the table if you don't do this. All you have to do is sign up if you haven't already with the link in the description down below. Do the KYC, which, you know, is very simple. Almost every exchange offers that or asks for that. That's a way to earn up to $150 right there, and then you can activate the futures account and earn an extra $50 in bonus, up to $200 in free cryptocurrency by signing up down in the description below. I'll also show a way later on in today's video of how you can earn up to $2,888 even if you are already registered, which is really cool. But without further ado, diving into the technical analysis, things that we need to look at here, you can see over the past coming days, we've pretty much been tracking the major breakout here. It's something that we've kind of figured would happen here as we've had bull flag formations here. We talked about that 7 days ago, double bottom 6 days ago, double bottom breakout 5 days ago, and the continued bull rally over the past couple of days, letting you guys know that there is still opportunity to take advantage of these runs to the upside here. However, at the current moment, we're starting to see the global cryptocurrency market cap at 1.26 trillion. So about almost 0.2 trillion has entered the market in about 2 or 3 days, which is incredible here. But you can see Fear and Greed index is now at 72. So it's a bit high on the index here, not necessarily at the neutral level anymore, but just check out the major pumps that we're starting to see. Bitcoin up 20%, Ethereum up 16, XRP up 15, Solana's up 31, Doge is up 27, Cardano's up 20. Like all these cryptocurrencies, Chainlink is up 50. Major explosions to the upside. However, we're starting to taper off at the top here. Run has happened, sideways trading. Run has happened, sideways trading. Run has happened, starting to consolidate. The consolidation is starting to take place, which makes sense. Obviously, what goes up must come down. And when we start to see that peak, as we've seen in the past here, we start to kind of veer off, and a correction back down to neutral level is what usually happens. And a good example of this would be just a couple of months ago, back here in July of 2023, when we had that some sort of court hearing. Either it was about the ETF or court hearing, something along those lines. Grayscale, I don't remember exactly what it was, but we had a beautiful breakout here. We were pretty much calling it with the descending fractal breakout here, kind of this bull flag. We saw the explosion, but we said, guess what, guys? Huge opportunity to buy in once we confirm above this resistance. Well, we took advantage of the swing up, but then I said, if you've missed out on that, we're going to start to see some consolidation, and eventually we're going to start to veer downwards here. So if you missed out on the long, we're going to have an opportunity to short. And that same exact thing can be said for right now within cryptocurrency. Maybe not so much XRP. I mean, I'd love it if XRP could hold us above the support here and then break up. So there might not be much of a trade opportunity. Maybe we go back down a moving average, then break up. That's the goal. Lower ourselves on moving average, then continue the run to the upside here. The goal is we just stay above moving average and the blue uptrend here. That is the goal. Fingers crossed that's what happens here. But ideally, something else that you have to consider and look at to is not so much my focus on XRP for a short. Obviously, we still can short XRP, but there are other cryptos like Ethereum and Bitcoin that seemingly seem to appear as better opportunities to buy in and short it to the downside in the very near future. But you can already see we're starting to stagnate, which is important for that short opportunity. Now, obviously, we do all these trades, like I said, on BidFi, which is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. You can buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Everything is right here. Click this, take profit, stop loss. Click this, you have your leverage scale right here. You have your long, you have your short, everything you could possibly need, including XRP trading, which is insane. Not many exchanges that I know of, if any, offer XRP to trade. So make sure to check them out down in the description below. And then if you're already signed up, click welcome rewards right here and earn up to $2,888 by completing some simple tasks, new user, advanced, and exclusive tasks right here. So make sure to check that out down in the description below. Now, moving forward, cryptos that look like good short opportunities would be Ethereum and Bitcoin, which are kind of overbought. You can see Ethereum has entered the overbought region right now. We're way above moving average here, and you can see there's a good chance we might consolidate back down at some point to support before we veer higher. I really just don't think it's going to last all that long. Granted, we do look good. I'll give them that. We do look very nice seeing the correction that we have back into the support here, but you can see the consolidation that's taking place. Over the past 2 or 3 days, we've been consolidating right now, and I don't think it's going to last. Could we pump higher? Of course. That's why we haven't sold off yet. We've moved our stop losses up to lock in profits, but I haven't sold off yet. What we're waiting for, most likely though, is a cool-off period, a reversal, cooling down, and then followed by a continued pump. And I think this can be very easily shown on Bitcoin because Bitcoin, you can see, is overbought here. Beautifully overbought here. You can see it clear as day. We had a beautiful ascending fractal here, hit this price ceiling, exploded to the upside here. Good chance now that we're going to start to consolidate down. Reason being, I mean, this was an easy buy-in opportunity to leverage to the upside. Past 2 or 3 days, it started to consolidate. We're starting to peak. Volume is starting to taper down. People are getting a little more exhausted. Market is getting exhausted. We're extremely oversold or overbought, sorry, at 90 on the RSI. So now what we're going to start to see, what goes up must come down, some sort of ripple effect, something like this, and then followed by a continued pump. That's truly what I would suspect to see happen here. So get ready for a buy-in for a short. So it's not too late to get in and get ready for that. So if you've missed out on the run up, get ready for the run down because that's what's coming. But with that being said, S&P 500 looks a bit wonky. And when I'm talking about reversal, I suspect market to move up like that while crypto moves down like that. That's what I would suspect to see happen now too, because we're in this lower high, lower low position. Yeah, this sucks that we're this low, but it is a good buying opportunity. But I'd ideally suspect to see a reversal out of it very, very, very soon. So keep your eyes peeled on that. But with all that being said, make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.